Hello, good morning children. How are you all? Are you okay? Okay. See, I am teaching social studies for standard 3. Last year I had taught you English. Remember? Remember my name? I am Shaheen ma'am. Okay? So here we will start with the lesson number 3 for your social studies. Now this subject is new for you for this year, right? Last year social studies was not there. This year we are going to study a new subject. इसमें आपको पता चलेगा कि हम लोग सोसाइटी में how we live, what we do, what is our relationship. This is comparatively new subject for you. It is very interesting. Okay, so I am going to teach you the lesson about early humans and discovery of fire. Okay, so do you have a book with you? Open the book, lesson number 3, early humans and discovery of fire. Okay children, come on, let's start. Earlier human beings were very different from what we are, like that. Okay, जैसे अब हम दिखते हैं ना, they were not like us, they were different. Their look was different and there was no building, nothing like that. The way we are living, their living style was completely different. They used to stay either in open places or under tree. There was no building, children, no flats, no bungalows. The way we are staying nowadays, it was nothing like that. So it was just open. They used to stay in open places, under trees or in the forest. Okay, but their life was really very tough, very tough life for them, because every time they had the fear of wild animals. Then rainy season, because of that they used to get many diseases and all. So they were living in open places, or later they started discovering caves. केव्स पता है क्या होता है? जंगल में केव्स रहते हैं जो माउंटेन के अंदर रहते हैं. सो स्लोली दे स्टार्टेड finding out the caves. They started going inside the caves and living, and then they used to cover the caves with the big stones so that wild animals should not enter their home. Okay, and then they led a very nomadic life. Why we call them nomads? We call them nomads because they used to run here and there. They used to go from one place to another in search of food. They used to move खाने के, क्योंकि उस वक्त वहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं रहता था ना, तो उनको ढूंढना पड़ता था खाने के लिए क्या है. पानी हर जगह नहीं अवेलेबल था. सो दे यूज्ड टू run from one place to another in search of food and shelter. That is why we call early humans nomads. Okay, now the next topic is their food habits, what they eat, how they eat and all that. So there was no cooking gas, nothing was there that time. Alright, so they used to eat raw fruits, raw berries, then roots of plants, leaves of plants. ऐसा सब कच्चा कच्चा खाते थे. Then gradually they started killing animals, but they started hunting the birds. Then they started hunting animals. That is why we call them hunter gatherers. वो लोग birds को मारते थे, animals को मारते थे, and then they used to eat them raw. You can see in the picture. आपके बुक में है, पिक्चर में देखो दिख रहा है. They are eating that raw animal only without cooking. Okay, so they were non-veg also that time. All right. Okay, now the next is tools and weapons. So what happened? To live, they to protect themselves from the animals, wild animals mostly, but they had to make a weapon, something, so उससे उन लोग वो animal को मार देंगे इसके लिए. And then they needed that some animals to eat also ना, तो वो एनिमल्स को मारने के लिए they needed that weapons. So they first what they do, they started throwing the big stones towards the animals. जो बहुत डिस्टेंस पे से they started throwing the stones towards animals from the distance. उसके बाद वो एनिमल मर जाता था, then they used to use them. Okay, next after that they found out sharp stones. Sharp stones मतलब वो नोक वाला रहता है ना, sharp रहता है stones. That stones they started attaching that stones to the poles. लकड़ी से उन लोग वो stone को attach किया and they ultimately they made spear out of it. और वो spear से उन लोग they used to throw that spear over that animal and then they started killing that animal. So that way they started making the weapons and tools. Now the next topic is their clothing. Clothing. उन लोगों ने क्या पहना? जब इंसान पैदा हुआ, when they came into this world, कपड़े तो नहीं थे ना. The clothes which we are wearing now was not there. This is we are making. This is man-made, right? हम लोग बनाते हैं. This cloth is made in the factories now. Okay, right? So that time there was no factory. Nothing was there. So they used leaves, big leaves of trees, then skins of animals to cover their body. So which used to protect them from the winter season. क्योंकि सर्दियों में बहुत ठंडी लगती थी ना, तो इसलिए वो लोग क्या करते थे, जो एनिमल जो मारते थे उसकी जो स्किन रहती थी ना उसको खींच के निकालते थे and then they used to wrap around their body or they used to make clothing by leaves. Alright. The next topic is communication. Communication मतलब क्या बच्चों? बात करना, बोलना, right? Now we have developed so many languages. English है, Hindi, Marathi, and so on, so many languages. But when the man was early human, they didn't know any language. उन लोगों को कुछ नहीं आता था बात करने के लिए. Even they didn't know how to speak. Now we can speak. They never used to speak. उनको नहीं मालूम था, उनका ब्रेन इतना डेवलप नहीं हुआ था. They did not know how to speak. So what they used to have hands actions. हाथ के इशारे से या तो फिर gestures, postures या फिर they used to make grunts. एनिमल का आवाज़. वैसे वो लोग एक दूसरे को बात करने के लिए they used to use those gestures and postures. And then slowly after hundreds of years later they developed sound. उन लोग क्या करने लगे? विसल बजाने लगे. They started learning whistling. तो अगर किसी को बुलाना है, if they want to call someone, that time big forests, big places, and people were used to stay far. So if they want to call somebody, they used to make a whistle, they used to make some sound, and then they used to communicate with each other. These languages which we are speaking, that was developed many years later. बहुत सालों के बाद में that language was developed. Understood, children? Are you getting me what I am telling you? We are talking about the early humans. Okay, right. Now slowly they started developing the languages also. Alright, this much you understood. How early human lived. Where did they live? They lived in jungle, they lived in open, under trees. What did they eat? They ate berries, fruits, raw animals, right? Okay. Then they started making the weapons and tools to protect themselves, to kill the animals, right? And what did they wear? They wore bark, leaves, big leaves, and they used the skin of animals. Now, the next topic in your book is discovery of fire. Fire means क्या बच्चों? आग, right? Okay. Nowadays, your mommy is cooking on gas stove, right? We are using electric stove, microwaves, and so on, right? At that time, there was nothing like that. So our fire was not there. Okay. So first they used to eat, as I told you, they used to eat only raw animals or birds or fruits or whatever it is. But you know what happened one day? One day they saw a big fire in jungle. बहुत बड़ा आग अपने आप. It was natural. That fire was natural. So they happened to see that fire was there in the forest. And then they saw that wild animals were very scared after seeing the forest. Whenever there was a fire, the wild animal used to get scared. लोग डर जाते थे. And then after seeing them, human being also started getting scared of fire. But slowly, what happened? You know, one day what happened? In such a forest, few wild animals were roasted in that. वो एनिमल्स थे वो उसमें मर के जल गए. वो फॉरेस्ट में जो आग लगी थी ना उसमें. एंड देन व्हेन द फायर वाज ओवर, दिस ह्यूमन बीइंग दे वेंट देयर इनटू द जंगल एंड देन दे एट दैट एनिमल. तो दैट रोस्टेड मीट ऑफ दैट एनिमल was very tasty for them. That what the taste was different. उन लोगों को अच्छा लगा. Roasted animal tasty लगा उन लोगों को. So they started liking the roasted animal. So they started searching कि आग कैसे लगेगी, how to build the fire. Now accidentally what happened? They rubbed the two stones against each other. उन लोगों ने दो stones को एक बार एक दूसरे से जोर से रब किया. रब करने के बाद में क्या हुआ? What happened? The spark came, and the spark came, and then they lit that. With that spark, they lit the dry leaves of the jungle. Then the fire built up. So in this way, they understood how to build the fire. उन लोगों को समझ में आ गया कैसे फायर बना सकती है. हम लोग किस तरह से फायर को बना सकते हैं. They learn to build a fire, and then they learn slowly. Early humans learn to have a control over the fire. कैसे आग बुझाते हैं? How? कैसे बुझाते हैं आग बच्चों? पानी से बुझाई जाती है ना. Okay, so they also started learning that, and they learned how to have a control over the fire. So that discovery of fire was a very major step in their life, because of fire what happened? That fire protect them from the winter season. Winter में बहुत ठंडी लगती है ना, और लोगों के पास तो उस वक्त तो कंबल भी नहीं था, nothing was there. So they used to lit fire. Then they started having night activities. They started making the fire and sit around the fire during the night and started telling the stories like that. Then the fire helped them to cook food to protect them from wild animals also, because wild animals, as I said, wild animals are scared of fires, right? So जब लोग आग देखते थे तो wild animal भाग जाते थे. So they do not used to give any harm to the human beings. In this way, the fire was a major discovery for them. Alright children, did you understand this lesson? Okay, so now you have to read the lesson with your mummies and papa's help, and then with this we are finishing off the lesson. Now you have to read the lesson with your mummies and papa's help. I am sending another PDF file. In that I have given the answers for the questions which are there below the lesson. So you write them in your notebook. Okay children, and when the school will reopen, I will check it. Okay, bye. Hi children, Hope you would have understood the lesson which I explained to you. Okay. Now I am putting this video also for more clarity of the topic. Just go through and enjoy.
Early man and his life. Early man lived in jungles. He ate fruits and roots of plants. He killed animals to eat. He ate raw flesh. He used stones as tools. Then he learned to make tools of stone and bone. He used these tools for killing animals and digging out roots of plants. Early man used to live in caves. He had no clothes to wear. He covered his body with leaves, barks, and animals' skins. The discovery of fire. After a long time, early man began to use stone tools. He discovered fire. He must have seen fire breaking out in the jungle. Initially, he was afraid of fire. He also saw that animals were afraid of it. Later, by rubbing together pieces of flint, early man could produce sparks. These sparks would set fire to dry leaves and wood shavings. Then he found the meat cooked over a fire tasty, and this led him to start cooking. He learned to preserve meat by smoking it over a fire. He also used fire to make better pottery and bricks. Then fire became the center of daily life of early man. He used it to protect himself from animals and to warm himself. He also became active at night, using fire as a source of light. Agriculture. When early man used to eat fruits, he threw seeds here and there. He found that over a period of time, they grew into new plants. It inspired him to become a farmer. Later, he learned to plow the land. He learned to cultivate grains such as rice, wheat, and barley. Now, he began to keep animals like cattle, goat, and sheep. Dog was the first domesticated animal. He used animals to plow the land. Then, he did not have to roam from one place to another in search of food. Agriculture and domestication of animals brought about great changes in the life of early man. He chose to live near river valleys because water was available and soil was fertile to grow crops. He made tent-like huts to live. He learned to make clay pots by hand. He also learned to make baskets from bamboo. He kept grains in the pots and baskets. He caught fish from the river to eat. He enjoyed a settled life.
It is believed that at some point of time, early man saw forest fires and noted how it used to scare wild animals away. It is also possible that man accidentally tasted meat that had fallen into the fires. He noticed that the meat was softer and much tastier than the raw flesh he was used to eating. Gradually, he discovered how to create fire and sustain it. It is believed that while making tools, the early man came to know that fire can be created by rubbing stones against each other. Stones that could easily produce fire this way are called flint. Fire was a very useful discovery to man. It made life much easier for man and encouraged him to discover and invent more things for his comfort.
Kids, hope you have understood the lesson which I have explained you. Lesson number 3. Okay. Now I will discuss the question answers to you. Keep your book open. Page number 273. Open page number 273. The first question is match the following. Number 1 is sharp stones used to kill animals. What should be the right answer, children? What was used to kill animals? Weapons. See the D option, weapons. Number 2, sounds, words, gestures, drawings used to pass on information. The answer will be C, communication. Number 3, this tasted better when it was cooked. What was tasted better when it was cooked, children? In fire? Meat. Right? Meat. E option, meat. Number 4, animals were frightened of this. I had explained you. Right? Animals were frightened of what? Fire. A option, fire. Next, number 5, people who moved from place to place. The people who move from place to place are called what? Nomads. See the B option, nomads. Clear, children? See, I'm sending you the PDF file. In that you will see all the answers. Here I am explaining you so that you will not have difficulty in understanding the answer. This exercise you have to do in the textbook only. Okay? With pencil you can match the followings. Clear, children? Now the next question is complete the following sentences. Number 1, dash were called hunter-gatherers. Who were called hunter-gatherers? Early humans. Spelling is E-A-R-L-Y. Early humans. H-U-M-A-N-S. Early humans were called hunter-gatherers. Number 2, sharp stones were also used as tools to kill animals. Okay? Kill animals. Achha. What is the spelling, children? Kill, K-I-L-L. Kill animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Sharp stones were also used as tools to kill animals. Clear, children? Now just turn the page. Next page, 274. Sentence number 3. Early humans lived under dash or in dash. So early humans lived under trees or in open places. What is the spelling of trees? T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Or in open spaces. Open की spelling क्या है? O-P-E-N. Open spaces. S-P-A-C-E-S. Open spaces. Clear, children? Number 4. The clothes of early humans were made of what, children? कैसे बने थे? अर्ली ह्यूमंस के क्लोथ्स कैसे बने थे? अर्ली ह्यूमंस क्लोथ्स वर मेड ऑफ लीव्स ऑफ द ट्री एंड skin of animals. Okay, you see the answer in the PDF because it is long answer. Number 5, they built a fire by vigorously rubbing 2 stones. Okay, vigorously rubbing 2 stones. Clear, children? Now this is over. Now we will go to the question answer. Now this fill in the blanks you write in your textbook only. Now the next question is answer the following question. अभी answer the following question है. This one you need to write in your notebook. You all may have made notebook, right? है ना? बिजल मैम ने बताया था ना नोटबुक बनाने का. So you write the question answer there. First you write the name of a lesson, number of the lesson, write down the date and write question also. So what is the first question? The first question is, why were early humans nomads? Understood the question? Why were early humans nomad का मतलब है early humans क्यों nomad कहलाते हैं? Why they are called nomads? Okay, so here write I am reading the answer for you. You write it down in your notebook. Early humans led a nomadic life in search of food and shelter. Because of food and shelter only they used to run from here and there, to used to move from here and there, right children? मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था ना आपको लेसन में कि वो लोग पानी और खाने की तलाश में यहाँ से वहाँ घूमते थे. So they led a nomadic life in search of food and shelter. Now the second question is, where did early humans live? Answer will be, early humans lived in the open or under trees. In the open or under trees. Number 3. How did early humans make spears? उन्होंने स्पीयर कैसे बनाया था? How did they make the spears? Early humans made spears by attaching sharp stone to long poles. Right children? Understood na? How they made spears? By attaching the sharp stone to long poles. Now question number 4. How did early humans use sharp stones? Understood the question? Sharp stone का उन लोग ने कैसे इस्तेमाल किया? What they use? How they use the sharp stones? So the answer will be, sharp stones were used to make spears, dig out roots of plants and to skin dead animals. Right children? Now the next question, number 5. In what ways was fire useful to early humans? Fire का use क्या था? So the answer will be, fire was used to cook food, save themselves from wild animals and keep themselves warm during cold weather. है ना? फायर की वजह से उन लोग क्या करते थे? सर्दी में अपना बचाव करते थे. देन वाइल्ड एनिमल्स भी नहीं आते थे. राइट? एंड दे यूज्ड टू कुक फूड ऑन इट. क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? That is all. All these questions you write in the notebook. Okay? Understood?